Good evening, everybody. This is Julian. I have got a mixture here of some firefly stars, and I'm going to press some stars with one of these Woody's plates. We're going to press 1/4 inch stars today. In the background back there is the hydraulic press. That's what we're going to use. And then he's got this fancy thing that goes on the star plate right there. You'll see how easy that is to use. And this thing pumps out 49 stars 1/4 inch at a time. Here we go. So I'll pull the star plate apart. This side of it right here, we're going to fill with some loose star material. Now this stuff is not very wet at all. You can see if you squeeze it with your hand, it barely stays together, but when you press it, it really stays together. So just filling all these cavities. Take the pin plate, put it on top here. Hold on, I got one cavity not full. Press down on there to start the process. Put it on the press. Slide this thing on right here. This puts pressure all the way across the press. Pull this out. Got these nice little, these make it to where when you press it again, they're going to be exactly 1/4 inch in height, the same as what the diameter is. So put this here, put this back on top, just like so. Make sure your spacers are under there. Nice thing about this is it's open, you slide it off, you don't have to worry about knocking any of your stars off. Now this material is excess, we're going to trim that real quick, just like so. Take this, put this back on here. This adapter, press down. And that releases all of our stars. So now we got a whole handful of stars, and I'll put them over here in a little drying box. And then all you do is rinse and repeat. Do the same thing again. Take this guy, fill it back up with some of your star compound. Put your pin plate back on top. Press down. Use the press again to condense it. Nice little adapter plate. Slide it back off. Put our spacers in there again to press it down so we can get the right height on them. Trim off the excess again. Pull out the spacers. And there we go. We got another batch of 49 stars.